JLB cheetah 4S lipo. What's happening? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Got an update, damage report for the JLB cheetah. I know it's been out of commission for a little while. I snapped output drive shaft for the rear differential. Not because I've been running 6S, I wanted to give a 6S report too. I put about 3, maybe 2 packs, 6S packs through it, and the 5S pack. That's not what snapped it. It might have weakened the steel or the metal on it, but I was doing a speed run on 4S. It back flipped, the slide, and then it skidded. The rear wing caught the asphalt. It flipped back over while the wheels were still spinning full speed, pretty much, or maybe 60 something miles an hour, and I just snapped the out drive shaft because it went from on his hood to on back on his wheels in a split second. I'm gonna try to post a video to that. It basically made the wheels spin in the opposite direction automatically. So I just snapped out the drive shaft, but I'm still gonna be running 6S. I got the speed control out of it because trying to find a better way to mount it. It was so big it was hanging over the chassis a little bit. Still got the 2850 kV motor in it, 4074. I even let you see it's the ring gear. You can see the teeth on that are still fine. It's the rear differential ring gear. Those are the internal gear. See the spider gears, they look fine. Sun gear. And that's the other one there. That's the part number if you ever need to get a replacement differential cups. It came with 2. I'm only going to replace 1 right now because the front is fine. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the cheetah. We're going to be posting some more 6S videos and 5S lipo. I'm going to tune the diff again. Probably re-shim it since I didn't build it to run 6S, but I need to make sure it's shimmed properly. Put some oil back in it, and give the car a basic run over. I'm gonna try to do something with this motor mount soon so I can change the gearing. I'm stuck running that gearing right now. I can't jump it because of those screws that stripped at the bottom. Those are the motor mount screws. Until I can get those out, I'm stuck running that gearing. I can't jump it really. It's a stunt truggy, but I can't jump it like I want to, so just been racing it and doing speed runs. 20 kilogram servo, Amazon special. Other than that, everything's held up. I replaced the front pinion, differential pinion, yeah. And that's about it. That's the only thing I really had to place. I got the tires off because I did a speed run. But I've been doing speed runs with the Red Cat landslide. This comes with good all-terrain tires. They don't balloon as much, so be looking out for some more speed runs with this one too. 4S. I'm shooting for 80, 75 with this one on 4S. Fastest I've got on 3S was about 60 miles an hour. So appreciate you watching. Sorry about all the noise. I'm outside. As you can see, it's like it a lot better light than in the man cave in the house. So bear with me, guys. See the rear differential pinion holding up just fine. So I really think it was just a freak accident. The differential cup snapped like it did. There's the rest of it right there. Sorry, camera won't zoom. Thank you, iPhone. I doubt it snapped because I was running 6S. I say that because the differential gears all held up, and those would be the first to go if 6S was too much power. Sorry about all the noise. Said I'm in my little outdoor garage. Use as double as a workshop. But at least I got a fan.